Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche 911 front view easy guide. Begin by placing a horizon line and a vertical center line to anchor symmetry, then block in the hood and bumper with light curved lines. Keep proportions wide and low, and use simple arcs to map headlight positions. Work from large shapes to small details, checking both sides often and erasing construction marks as you refine the front plane. In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche 911 front view easy guide. Focus on the headlights first, placing them above the hood and mirrored across the center line, then define grille openings below with slim horizontal slats. Map fog lights and indicators as smaller circles in the bumper corners and lightly mark reflections on the headlight glass. Refine edges, darken key lines, and keep strokes confident to convey the car's distinctive front face. In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche 911 front view easy guide. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for playing reference music and setting timers while you sketch, and it fits neatly beside your drawing table. It adds ambience and keeps your flow going without reaching for your phone. If this sounds useful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche 911 front view easy guide. After defining shapes, trace panel gaps and the hood emblem with careful curved strokes, then begin shading the lower bumper, grille recesses, and wheel arches for depth. Use soft cross-hatching for gradual shadows and stronger lines for creases, and add light reflections on glass and chrome to sell the form. Step back often to check contrast and balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.